सावधान ब्रह्मनाथ। ओम शांति 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 शांति। Hello students, welcome to the video lecture of the chapters higher order derivative. It is second part of the higher derivative. It is the second part of the higher order derivative. Okay. In previous class, we discussed the derivative, higher order derivative, that is first order derivative, second order derivative of the some functions, and some problems are also discussed. But in this lecture, I am going to discuss the derivative, higher order derivative of parametric function. Okay. What do you mean by the parametric function? Parametric function is in the form of x is equal to f of t and y equal to g of t, or x is equal to f of t theta and y equal to g of theta, where t and theta are the common variables and it is called parameter, and the function is called parametric function. Okay, so how to find the derivative of the parametric function? Let's see. Let's x is equal to suppose f of t, y is equal to suppose g of t. Then find d square y by dx square. This is the question, suppose you have asked. So first find, step 1, find dx by dt and dy by dt. Step 2, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what is here? That is dx by dt means what? F dash t here, and this is dy by dt here. What is dy by dt? Dy by dt here, g dash t divided by dx by dt here, f dash t. Okay, that is 5 dx by dt and dy by dt, that is dx by dt is equal to here f dash t and dy by dt is equal to what? G dash t. Now this is function of t. Okay, so dy by dx, that is dy by dx is equal to what? This is function of t. This is function of t. Function of t. So suppose dy by ds is equal to suppose h of t, where g dash t by by f dash t is equal to suppose h of t, like this. Let's, and since it is the function of t, now to find d by dx of dy by dx, which is equal to what? This is equal to d square y by dx square. Now what is here? D by dx of h of t. First differentiate with respect to t, that is equal to d by dt of h of t into dt by dx. This is the procedure. This is equal to what? H dash t into dt by dx. This is the procedure to find the second order derivative of the parametric function. Now let's see some problems. Find d square y by d square if x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Solution is x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, right, and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So find dx by d theta. Here it is parametric function with parameter theta. So ds by d theta is equal to what? There a constant, derivative of theta with respect to theta is equal to 1, and derivative of sin theta with respect to theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, dy by d theta, that is equal to a constant, derivative of 1 0. So derivative of cos theta means minus sin theta. So dy by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Now dy by dx, that is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So this is equal to minus a sin theta divided by a into 1 plus cos theta. A goes cancel, this is minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is dy by dx. Okay, then d square y by dx square, that is d by dx of dy by dx. So what is this? This is d by dx of here minus sin theta by cos theta. This can be written as, or this can be written as minus what? Minus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This will be g, and 1 plus cos theta means what? 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 cancel here, and cos theta by 2 1 cancel here. So 1 cos theta by 2 cancel here, and this is what? Minus tan theta by 2. So put dy by, this is dy by dx. This is dy by dx. Okay, then put minus tan theta by 2, and this can be what? D by d theta minus tan theta by 2 into d theta by dx. What is the derivative of minus tan theta by 2? So minus sec square theta by 2 into derivative of theta by 2, 1 by 2 into d theta by dx, into d theta by ds. What is d theta by dx? It is ds by d theta. So d theta by dx means 1 by a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so it will be what? This is equal to minus sec square theta by 2 whole divided by 2 into a, and what is 1 plus cos theta? 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. Cos square theta by 2. So 2 to 4, and this is cos square. 1 by cos square means sec square. So sec 4 theta by 2 by 4 into a. This is the value of the second order derivative of the parametric function. Okay, this is the second order derivative of the parametric function. Now another question, how to find second order derivative of the parametric function. again one question, the second derivative of the parametric function. Okay, so what is here? X is equal to, here x is equal to, here x is equal to solution, here x is equal to cos t minus cos 2t. Now dx by, this is parameter here t, dx by dt. So 2, this is derivative of cos t means minus sin t, and minus sign here. What is derivative of cos 2t? Derivative of cos 2t is equal to minus 2 sin 2t. So this is equal to what? This plus 2 sin 2t minus 2 sin t. So what is here? 2 into 2 sin t into cos t minus 2 sin t. So 2 sin t take common, here 2 cos t minus 1. This is dx by dt. Now dy by dt, here y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t, and dy by dt is equal to, what? So 2 constant, derivative of sin t means what? Cos t, and derivative of sin 2t, derivative of sin mx means m cos mx. So derivative of sin 2t with respect to t, 2 cos 2t, 2 cos 2t. Okay, so here take that this is equal to 2 cos t, and what is this? And this is equal to what? Now for simplification, let's say this is what? This is 2 common, this is will be ag, if 2 common here, to sin 2t minus sin t. So this is sin c minus sin d formula. What is sin c minus sin d formula? Sin c minus sin d. What is sin c minus sin d? This is equal to cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This formula applied here. So what is here? That is sin c minus sin d. This is equal to into 2 sin c plus d by 2. Sorry, 2 cos c plus 2 cos 2t plus t by 2 into sin 2t minus t by 2. So this is equal to 4 cos 3t by 2, and this is sin t by 2. This is equal to what? This is equal to ds by dt. This is ds by dt. It is easy to cancel, so change the CD formula here. So this is equal to 2 common, and cos t minus cos 2t. What is formula here? The formula is cos c minus cos d. Okay, cos c minus cos d is equal to what? Is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. This is the trigonometric formula. So what will be here? This is equal to 2 into 2 sin t plus 2t by 2 into sin d means 2t minus t by 2. So this is by 2 here. Okay, and this is 4 sin 3t by 2 into sin t by 2. This is what? dy by dt. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt means 4 sin 3t by 2 into sin, this is by 2 into sin t by 2, whole divided by here 4 cos 3t by 2 into what? Sin t by 2. So 4 cancel, sin t by 2 cancel. This is equal to what? This is dy by dx is equal to what? Tan 3t by 2. Okay, this is dy by dx. Now to find d square y by dx square. Now to find d square y by dx square. d square y by dx square means d by ds of dy by dx. This is equal to what? d by ds of, this is dy by ds means tan 3t by 2. So differentiate with respect to here t, that is d by dt of what? Tan 3t by 2 into what is derivative of 3t by 2? d 3 by 2 into dt by dx. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, and this is equal to dt by ds here. Okay, so this is dt by ds means what? This is equal to dt and this is dt by dx. So what is here? That is sec square 3t by 2 into derivative of 3t by 2 means 3 by 2 and dx by dt. What is dx by dt here? So dx by dt is equal to what? This is dx by 4, that is 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 cos 3t by 2 into sin t by 2. This is dx by dt by ds. We have dx by dt is equal to what? This is 4 cos 3t by 2 into sin t by 2. But it is dt by ds, so it's reciprocal 1 by 4. Okay, so what is here? This is equal to sec 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2, 3 by here 8, 3 by 8 sec square 3t by 2 and divide by here cos 3t by 2 into sin t by 2, and this is equal to what? Sec q 3 by 8, this is equal to 3 by, correct here? So sec square 3t by 2, 3 by 2 into 4, that is 3 by 8 cos 3t by 2 sin t by 2 here. Okay, so which will be, this is equal to what? This is equal to d square y by dx square is equal to what? D square y by dx square is equal to here 3 by 8 and this is 1 by cos means sec here, so sec square अच्छी sec q है sec q 3t by 2 into 1 by sin means cos means cosec. This is cosec t by 2. This is the answer. And what is d square y by dx square at what? At t is equal to pi by 2. So 3 by 8 into sec q 3 pi by 4 because pi by 2 here t equal to, and cosec pi by 4 t equal to pi by 2 by 2, this is pi by 4. Now its value, find its value. And what is sec 3 pi by 4? 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree, so it lies in second quadrant. So sec 3 pi by 4 means its value is minus root 2. Minus root 2. 3 by 8 into minus root 2 cube and what is cosec pi by 4? It is what? Root 2. So this is equal to minus 3 by 8 into what is here? 2 root 2, and and this is root 2. So this is equal to 3 by 8 root 2 into root 2. This is 4. Okay, 4. This is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2 is answer. Okay, then another question. Find d square y by d square if x is equal to x cos q theta comma y equal to a sin q theta. Also find d square by d square at theta equal to pi by 3. So solution is, this is the question. Solution is x is equal to a cos q theta. Dx by d theta is equal to a constant, derivative of cos q theta means d by d theta of cos theta whole cube. So this is equal to a into 3 cos square theta into derivative of cos theta means minus sin theta. So this is equal to minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. This is dx by d theta. Okay, now dy by d theta. So y is equal to here, y is equal to a cos sin q theta here. Okay, similarly dy by d theta, a constant, sin q means 3 sin square theta into derivative of sin theta means cos theta. Clear? So dy by d theta is equal to 3a sin square theta into cos theta. Now dy by dx is equal to what? Now dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what is here? Dy by 3a, this is equal to sin 3a sin square theta into cos theta divided by minus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. So 3a cancel, and one sin here cancel, one cos here cancel. This is dy by dx is equal to what? And here minus tan theta, minus tan theta. Now d square y by d square. Now d square y by dx square, that is d by ds of dy by dx. D by ds of dy by ds means minus tan theta. So first derivative with respect to theta. So minus x square theta into what? D theta by dx. This is equal to minus x square theta and d theta by dx. What is d theta? This is dx by d theta. D theta by ds means its reciprocal. So minus 1 by 3a into sin theta into cos square theta. Okay, the dx by d theta. D theta by ds means its reciprocal. So this is equal to what? This is equal to minus plus here. So 1 by 3a into what? Sec square here, cos here, cos square. That is 1 by cos square means sec square. So sec square into sec square, sec 4 theta into what? 1 by sin means cosec theta. This is d square y by dx square. Okay, and now this is one answer. And now what is? Now d square y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 3. Now d square y by dx square at theta is equal to pi by 3. So 1 by 3 into sec 4th pi by 3 into what? Cosec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 means 2. So 1 by 3a 2 to the power 4, because cos pi by 3 means cos is equal to 1 by 2. So sec is equal to what? 2. And cosec pi by 3, cosec pi by 3, sin pi by 3 means sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is equal to what? Sin 61 means pi by 3 equal to root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 means what? 2 by root 3. So what is here? That is 16 into 2, 32. 16 into 2, 32 by 3 root 3 into a. Okay. 2 to the power 4, 16 into 2, 32. This is 32. Clear? 32 divided by 3 root 2a. This is answer. And now some other questions. If x is equal to sin t, y equal to sin pt, prove that 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus p square is equal to 0. This is in the form of parameter function, but it is difficult if to find dx by dt, then dy by dt. It is difficult. So we have to solve in another method, that is alternate method. Express in single function. Okay, so solution is, it is the easiest method. What I will do, what is here? X is equal to sin t, y equal to sin pt, and this is what is here? T is equal to here. This is t is equal to here sin inverse x. Okay, so t equal to here sin inverse. Now y is equal to what? Now y is equal to sin p sin inverse x. Okay, now find y1, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So it will be what? Y1 is equal to, this is y1. Y1 is equal to derivative side means cos of p sin inverse x into derivative of p sin inverse p by root over 1 minus x square. We know in previous class, we should remove fraction. So this will be what? This is equal to y1 into root over 1 minus x square is equal to p into cos of p sin inverse x. Also we know from previous class, remove square root. So squaring both sides. Okay. So what is here? That is y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to p square into what? Cos square p sin inverse x. Now we have to try to replace. This is what? Y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to p square into what? 1 minus sin square p sin inverse x. Clear? So what is sin inverse x here? What is y means what? Sin of p sin inverse x. So this is square form, so y square. Now y1 square is equal to what? Y1 square is equal to, now y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to what? P square into 1 minus, this is sin of p sin inverse x means y. Sin of p sin inverse x means y. So it is square form. So it will be what? Minus y square here. again in question asked here d square by d square means second order derivative. Okay, so differentiate the above with both sides with respect to x. So what will be here? This is v du. V means what? 1 minus x square into derivative of y1 square. Derivative of y1 square means 2 into y1 into y2. V du plus derivative of u dv. U means what? Y1 square into derivative of 1 minus x square means minus 2x. Okay, then is equal to what? P square constant, so remain as it, and derivative of 1 is 0, minus sign here, so minus derivative of y square means 2y into y1. Now this is common here, what? 2y1 common here, so 1 minus x square into y2, 2y1 common, so x y1 here, and this is equal to what? Minus 2p square y into y1, so 2 goes cancel, y1 goes cancel, what is remain here? 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 minus here p square, so p plus p square y is equal to 0, which is our required proof. So d square y2 means what? That is, or we can write y2 means 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into y1 means dy by dx plus p square y is equal to 0. This is our required proof. Okay, then another question. This is the example of previous problem. So solution is x is equal to what? Sin t, y is equal to what? Sin 2t. In previous question this is p, general, and it is particular question. So t is equal to what? Sin inverse x. That implies y is equal to what? Sin inverse 2 sin inverse x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what is here? y1 is equal to cos of 2 sin inverse x into derivative of 2 tan inverse is 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Remove fraction, so y1 into root over 1 minus x square is equal to 2 into cos of 2 sin inverse x, squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. So this is equal to y1 square 1 minus x square into 4 into cos square 4, this is 2 sin inverse x, and this is equal to what? y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to 4 into 1 minus sin square of 2 sin inverse x. So this is equal to what? This is equal to y1 square. Okay, y1 square is equal to y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to 4 into 1 minus, that is y square. Differentiate again with respect to x. V du, v means 1 minus x square into derivative of here, this is x square, and derivative of y1 square means 2 into y1 into y2 plus u dv. U means what? U means y1 square into derivative of 1 0, derivative of x square 2x, but minus present, so minus 2x, 4 into derivative of 1 0, and derivative of y square minus 2y into y1. So take common 2y1 and 1 minus x square into y2 minus x into y1 is equal to minus what? 4 into, that is minus 8 into y into y1. So y1 goes cancel, and 2, and this is 8, this is 4y, minus 4y, take left side. So 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 plus 4y is equal to 0. This is the required proof. Okay. Now some mixed problem of higher derivative. Now let's discuss some more problems of second order derivative from mixing type. Okay. Parameter function maybe, other functions may be there. Some mixed questions. Okay. Some more questions and its solution. Okay. So y equal to as x sin x, then prove that x square y2 minus 2xy1 plus x square plus 2 into y equal to 0. Okay. So this is where here y is equal to what? Ax sin x. So difference find y1. Y1 means a constant. Suppose this is u and this is v. So what is here? Sin x into derivative of x means what? A plus ax into derivative of sin x means what? Cos x. So y1 is equal to a sin x plus ax cos x. Now y2, this is value of y1 and this is value of y1. Now y2 again differentiates here. A derivative of sin x cos x, and this is suppose u and this is suppose v. So cos x plus cos x into derivative of ax a and plus ax into derivative of cos x minus sin x. So y2 is equal to what? A cos x plus a cos x minus ax sin x. This is value of y2. Put now left hand side. Now left hand side what is? Left hand side is x square y2 minus 2xy1 plus x square plus 2 bracket into y. This is left hand side. So x square into y2 means what? This value. So y2 x square y2 means what? X square y2 a that is, we can write here one thing. This is y2 is equal to what? Y2 is equal to one thing, right here, 2a cos x minus ax sin x. This is y2, correct? This is y2. So 2a cos x minus ax sin x. This is y2. And now minus 2 into what is y1? 2x into y1 means what? Y1 means a sin x plus ax cos x plus x square plus 2 into what is y? Y means here ax into sin x, and this is equal to what? Multiply 2ax square cos x minus ax cube sin x minus what here? That is equal to 2ax sin x, and this is equal to minus 2ax square cos x, and this finally this is ax cube into sin x plus 2ax into sin x. Okay, ax cube sin x 2x. So this goes cancel here, which is a 2x square sin x, 2ax square cos x, ax cube sin x. This is minus, this goes cancel, and this goes cancel. So final answer is 0, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Now another question. Find d square pi by d square if a equal to sin qx into cos qx. You can use u into v formula. Okay. or it is easy if we will do like this. Y equal to what? Sin qx into cos qx. That is q here 1 by 2 into 8 sin qx into cos qx. So y is equal to 1 by 8, that is 2 sin x into cos x whole cube. 2 sin x into cos x whole cube. That is what? 1 by 8 sin cube 2x. Sin cube 2x. So find y1. Differentiate means find y1. 1 by 8 into 3. What? Derivative of sin cube. 3 sin square 2x into derivative of sin 2x means 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. And y1 is equal to what? Y1 is equal to, this is 3 by 4 and this is sin square 2x into cos 2x. Finally, that is we can here thus we can write here, that is y1 is also write here 3 by 4, that is we can write here 2, right? So 2 sin 2x here 3 by 8 and 2. Suppose 3 by 8 here, this is 2, and this is 3 by 8 into 2 sin 2x into cos 2x into what? Sin square into sin 2x. So 3 by 8, this is what? Sin, the 2 sin theta and cos theta, sin 4 theta, sin 4x into what? Sin 4x into sin 2x. Sin 4x into sin 2x. Okay. So this can be written as what? 2 sin A into sin B means what? 2 sin A into sin B. This is 3 by 16 into 2 sin 4x into sin 2x. What is here? 2 sin A sin B formula. So 2 sin A sin B formula means 2 sin A into sin B means what? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is formula. 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A into sin B means cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, so 3 by 16 into cos A minus B means cos 2x minus cos A plus B means cos what? 6x. So y2 is, this is y1. Now y2 is equal to what? Y2 is equal to 3 by 16 into what? Minus 2 sin 2x minus 1 minus A plus 1 by 6 sin 6x. This is a method. Okay, this is a method. This is what? 3 by 16, 2 sin 2x. This is 6 only. Here, this is 6. Okay, this is 6, and this is 6. This is 6 sin 6x. Minus sign present, so it is plus. Okay. This is one method, or you can do U into V formula. Another method, this is another method, you may find U into V. Another method, you may find simply another method. Suppose y is equal to what? Sin q x into cos q. That is sin x into cos x whole cube. Okay, and this is equal to what? This is equal to y is equal to 1 by 2, and this is, make simply, this is y1 equal to v du means cos q x into derivative of sin q x means 3 sin x into cos x plus u dv sin q x into 3 cos square x into derivative, this is minus what? Sin x. So y1 is equal to what? 3 sin x into cos 4x. Here 3. This is what? This is 3 sin square. Sorry, this is 3 sin square and 3 sin square. 3 sin square x into cos 4x minus 3 cos square x into sin 4x. This is y1. Or we can take common 3. Find again dy by ds. y2 means 3 into ub. U into b. Take 3 common. Okay. Both u into b. Cos 4x into derivative of sin square x means what? 2 sin x into cos x plus u dv. Sin square x into derivative of cos 4x means what? 4 cos q x into what? Minus sin x. This is one part and 3 common outside, so minus what? This is one part and another part is what? Another part is minus 3 into the u derivative. This is derivative of what? V du means sin 4x into derivative of cos square x means 2 cos x into minus sin x. This is V du plus u dv. U means what? U means V du. U means what? Cos square x into derivative of sin 4 sin q x. This is V du plus u dv. U dv formula. So 4 sin q x. 4 sin q x into derivative of sin x means cos x. Cos x. So multiply this. This is a lengthy process. So multiply this. This is y2 is equal to what? 3 cos 4. Take common 3 goes from all 3. This is cos 4x, 2 cos 4x. 2 cos 4x, that is sin 2x here. And this is sin 2x. What? Cos 4x into sin 2x. And it is here minus sin qx here 4 into cos 4 cos qx and 4 cos qx here and minus here 3 common. This is minus plus and what is sin 4 x into this minus plus. Okay, so sin 2x and minus this is equal to plus what? 4 sin q x into cos qx. What is common? Cancel this and this, and this is sin 4 cos 2x and cos 4 sin 2x. Okay, so 3 y2 is equal to what? Y2 is equal to 3 sin 2x common here. This is sin 2x common. 3 sin 2x and cos 4x plus sin 4x. This is the answer. This is lengthy one. If we convert multiple angle formula, then it will be easy. Now another question. Y equal to e to the x sin bx. Find it. So y is equal solution. Y is equal to what? E to the x sin bx. So y1 is equal to what? V du sin bx into e to the x, derivative of e a into e to the x plus v du u du e to the x into b cos bx. Okay, so y1 is equal to what? Y1 is equal to common here e to the power x, and this is equal to what? A sin bx plus b cos bx. Okay, and this will be again u into b, and try to make sin of a plus b formula. Sin of a plus b. Suppose put a equal to r cos alpha, b equal to r sin alpha. So y1 is equal to e to the x, and this is r cos alpha sin bx, and this is r sin alpha cos bx. Okay, so take common here, y1 is equal to e to the x and r common here. So what is sin bx? Sin bx, what is sin bx plus alpha, where alpha is equal to what? Where alpha, tan alpha is equal to, this is, suppose b by a is equal to what? b by a is equal to tan alpha. So alpha is equal to tan inverse b by a. Now this is equal to what? This is y1, and r is equal to what? R is equal to root over a square plus b square. Okay? Now y2 is equal to what? y2, r constant, so derivative u into b, e to the x into what? Sin bx plus alpha derivative, b cos bx plus alpha. Okay, and this is v du plus u dv, e to the x. Okay, e to the power x, and this is what? E to the x, b cos bx, and plus here sin bx plus alpha, and this is equal to what? A e to the x. So common here, so y2 is equal to r into, common here, e to the x, this is b cos bx plus alpha plus, okay, here you can write here a sin bx plus alpha. Okay, and this is equal to what? Put x is equal to a equal to r cos alpha, or we can write y2 is equal to r e to the x. Write first a sin bx plus alpha, b cos bx plus alpha. So this is equal to what? This is y2 is equal to r into a to the x, and this is what? R cos alpha sin bx plus alpha, r cos r, this is r cos alpha, and this is r sin alpha, and this is what? This is cos bx plus alpha. So what is here? This is equal to r square, y2 is equal to r square e to the x, and this is what? Sin a cos b, cos a sin b, sin a plus b formula is sin bx plus 2 alpha, where r is equal to what? This is y2 is equal to r means what? Root over a square plus b square, r square means a square plus b square into what? e to the power ax into sin bx plus 2 alpha, where alpha is equal to, tan inverse b by a. Okay, these are some other questions of higher order derivative. Thank you, have a nice day.